Hello and welcome to things I find interesting that happened today in the past, aka Tifitht Itp. This show is all about the historical events of the past, both recognized by actual historians and ones I personally find interesting enough to talk about. My information comes from the smart device application On This Day, the icon of which you can see at the beginning and end of this video as cutoff prevention. Anyway, on with the show! Today is Monday, December 7th, 2015. In 2009, the United Nations Climate Change Conference in Copenhagen was held. In 2003, the Conservative Party of Canada was officially registered, following the merger of the Canadian Alliance and the Progressive Conservative Party of Canada. In 1999, the Recording Industry Association of America sued the peer-to-peer file-sharing service Napster, alleging copyright infringement. In 1995, the Galileo spacecraft arrived at Jupiter slightly over 6 years after it was launched by Space Shuttle Atlantis during mission STS-34. In 1982, in Texas, Charles Brooks Jr. became the first person to be executed by lethal injection in the United States. In 1972, Apollo 17, the last Apollo moon mission, was launched. The crew took this photograph, known as the Blue Marble, as they left Earth. In 1963, instant replay made its debut during a United States Army-Navy football game. In 1963, instant replay made its debut during a United States Army-Navy football game. In 1946, a fire at the Wincock Hotel in Atlanta, Georgia killed 119 people, making it the deadliest hotel fire in U.S. history.
December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan.
In 1930, W1XAV in Boston, Massachusetts telecasted video from the CBS Radio Orchestra program The Foxtrappers. The telecast also included the first television commercial in the United States, an advertisement for I.J. Fox Farriers, who sponsored the radio show. In 1917, during World War I, the United States declared war on Austria-Hungary. In 1869, American outlaw Jesse James committed his first confirmed bank robbery in Gallatin, Missouri. In 1787, Delaware became the first state to ratify the United States Constitution, and in 1703, the Great Storm of 1703 occurred. It is still the greatest windstorm ever recorded in the southern part of Great Britain, with winds up to 120 miles per hour and caused the deaths of 9,000 people. Births: Aaron Carter, 1987. Deaths: Rube Goldberg, 1970. And that concludes Tifitht Itp for your dose of past events daily. I am Ayo, and you are you. Toodles!